Hi, I'm Dr. Jacob Teitelbaum, and this is part 14 of the series, The Human Energy Crisis. This is the final one for this part of the series, and probably one of the most important. It's really important as your energy increases to use that energy for things that feel good, to do what's called following your bliss. If you use your energy, to go back to things that made you sick and tired in the first place, your body will just take you out of the game again. So make a list of those things that you spend energy on. One column should be things that feel good, not what your brain thinks you should do. That's your programming. And then things that feel bad. The things that feel bad, see which ones you can cut out or withdraw energy from and time without getting arrested or homeless. And start to ease those off the list and focus on the things that feel good. You will find not just a dramatic increase in energy, but you're going to find your soul and your psyche will thank you.